Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Green Masala Stuffed Fish Fry, a uniquely flavorful Goan delight. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a green masala stuffed fish fry. We'll show you how to create a delicious fish fry that's stuffed with a special green masala. The combination of fresh ingredients and perfectly balanced spices makes this dish truly special and irresistible. We'll provide exclusive tips to ensure your dish turns out outstanding every time. So let's get cooking now and prepare this unique and delicious green masala stuffed fish fry. Step 1. Cleaning the fish. Take 3 mackerels or bangdas. Start with cutting off the tail and all the fins as shown. Now make a cut here above the bone. Cut a part of the head and remove the waste from inside the head and stomach. Scrape off the scales from both the sides of the fish. Wash and clean the fish nicely. Step 2. Cutting the fish. The fish is washed and cleaned. Using a sharp knife, slit the fish on either side of the bone, making sure to be as close to the bone as possible. This will create a pocket where we can fill the green masala. Make cuts on the fish so that our marinade can go inside. Fish is ready to be marinated. Step 3. Preparing the green masala for stuffing. Take half-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add quarter cup or 60 ml of warm water to it. Take quarter cup of freshly grated coconut. Half cup of coriander or cilantro leaves. 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into pieces. Take half-inch piece of ginger. 4 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the ginger and garlic cloves into pieces. Take half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of sugar. In a mixer or grinder, add the soaked tamarind with water. Add the grated coconut, cumin or jeera seeds, sugar, green chili pieces, ginger pieces, garlic pieces, salt, coriander or cilantro leaves. Grind to a fine paste. While grinding, add very little water only if required. Also make sure the masala is thick and not watery. Our green masala for stuffing is ready. Step 4. Marinating the fish. In a plate or a bowl, take 1 teaspoon of Bedgi chili powder, but if you prefer it less spicy, you can use red Kashmiri chili powder instead. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of kokum water, which is also called Garcinia indica. If kokum water is not available, you can use lime juice. Mix everything nicely and see that the paste is nice and wet. It should not be dry and also should not be watery. Our marinade for the outside is ready. Apply the marinade properly to the fish on the outside. Ensure it is applied on both sides and all over the fish.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Cover and keep the marinated fish aside. Step 5. Stuffing the fish. Take one medium-sized onion and cut it fine. Add the finely cut onion into the green stuffing masala. Mix everything nicely. Sprinkle a little salt inside the fish. Instead of mackerels, you can use any other fish of your choice that can be stuffed. Now put sufficient stuffing masala inside both sides of the fish.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Similarly, put the stuffing masala in the other fish. Once done, cover and keep the fish aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 6. Frying the fish. Take few curry leaves or curry patta. In a plate, take quarter cup or more of semolina or rava for coating. Spread the semolina nicely in the plate. Coat the fish with semolina on all sides and fry immediately. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. On medium-low heat in an open thick-bottom pan, add sufficient cooking oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Now add the fish. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Check and turn them to cook the side of the fish where we made the slit to stuff the masala. Once the side of the fish is cooked, turn them to cook the other side of the fish. Ensure that they are not over-fried or burnt. Once the fish is cooked and gets a golden brown color on all sides, remove the fish from the pan. Enjoy the fish hot with fish curry and rice. It can also be served as an interesting starter. Delicious green masala stuffed fish fry is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.